Welcome to the Physical Education video lecture channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3, Yoga and Lifestyle. Today's topic, back pain. Procedure, benefits and contraindications of Tadasana, Ardha Machandrasana, Vakrasana, Shalvasana and Bhujangasana. So let us first of all try to understand what is back pain. Back pain is felt in the back that usually originates from the muscles, nerves, bones, joints, or other structures in the spine. Back pain can be divided anatomically into lower back pain, middle back pain, and upper back pain. The various causes of the back pain. अब हम ये देखेंगे कि बैक पेन के कारण क्या होते हैं. The most common causes of back pain are strained muscles, strained ligaments, lifting something improperly, or lifting something that is too heavy, that results of an abrupt and awkward movement. अब होता क्या है, जो बैक पेन है उसके कारण क्या हो सकते हैं. आपकी मसल में स्ट्रेन हो गया, आपके लिगामेंट में स्ट्रेन हो गया, या आपने किसी हैवी चीज़ को इम्प्रॉपरली उठाया, या आपने किसी हैवी चीज़ को उठाया अब्रप्टली. आप अचानक कभी आप नीचे की तरफ झुक जाते हो तो कोई चीज़ उठाने की कोशिश करते हो, एकदम चुक पै गई. वो चुक पैने का मतलब क्या है, बैक पेन स्टार्ट हो गया. आर्थराइटिस. पेशेंट्स, थर्ड कारण है, थर्ड रीज़न, पेशेंट्स विद ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस कॉमनली एक्सपीरियंस प्रॉब्लम्स विद द जॉइंट्स इन द हिप्स एंड लोअर बैक. आर्थराइटिस जो जॉइंट्स की प्रॉब्लम है, जिसमें जॉइंट पेन हो जाता है, उसकी वजह से कुछ पेशेंट्स में जिनकी बोन्स जो है वीक हो जाती है, उनकी वजह से उनको हिप जॉइंट में और लोअर बैक में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. स्लीप डिसऑर्डर्स. इंडिविजुअल्स विद स्लीप डिसऑर्डर्स आर मोर लाइकली टू एक्सपीरियंस बैक पेन कंपेयर टू अदर्स. जिनको नींद नहीं आती प्रॉपरली, जो सो नहीं पाते प्रॉपरली, या आराम से नहीं सो पाते हैं, जिनको जो घोड़े बेचने वाली नींद है ना, साउंड स्लीप जिसको बोलते हैं, जिनको नहीं आती है, उनको ये प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, क्योंकि वो करवटें ले रहे हैं इधर से उधर, उधर से इधर. उसके बाद नंबर 5 पर है बैड मैट्रेसेस. जो मैट्रेस है डज नॉट सपोर्ट स्पेसिफिक पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी एंड कीप द स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट रिस्क ऑफ डेवलपिंग बैक पेन. अगर आपने देखा होगा पुराने ज़माने में जो लोग हैं ना, वो रुई के गद्दे बनाते थे. आजकल जो आप डंडलप के मैट्रेस बनाते हो ना, उसमें से बैक पेन होने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. ठीक, तो वो जो रुई का जो मैट्रेस बना होता है, वो एक्चुअली जब आप अपनी बॉडी को लेटा देते हो, तो वो अपनी बॉडी उस हिसाब से, जो मैट्रेस है रुई वाला, वो आपके प्रेशर के हिसाब से अपने आप नीचे जाता है, ऊपर नहीं आता है. लेकिन जबकि डनलप वाला मैट्रेस है, ऊपर आ जाता है. उसकी वजह से आपको स्पाइन में प्रॉब्लम्स आ जाती है. बेंडिंग डाउन फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड्स. अगर आप बेंड होते हो किसी ज़्यादा समय के लिए, तो भी बैक पेन हो सकता है. लॉन्ग ड्राइविंग सेशंस. अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो, आप मान लो, चूँकि आज तो लॉकडाउन है, कोई गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा है, लेकिन अगर कोई बंदा लॉन्ग ड्राइव सेशन जाता है विदाउट ब्रेक, तो इवन व्हेन नॉट हंचड, अगर वो पीछे उसने सपोर्ट भी रखा हो, आगे की तरफ नहीं भी झुकता हो, फिर भी पेन होगा ही होगा. क्यों? अगर आप 8 घंटे, 9 घंटे, 10 घंटे ड्राइविंग करोगे, तो आपके कमर में दर्द होना स्वाभाविक है. अब हम देखेंगे, we will see the various yogic asanas which can be performed to reduce the back pain and achieve a healthy body. The major asanas which can help to control back pain are Tadasana, Ardha Machandrasana, Vakrasana, Shalvasana and Bhujangasana. Now we will discuss about the first one, that is Tadasana, the procedure of Tadasana. Tadasana, as I have already discussed about this asana in my other videos, but still, as in this video we will write the procedure, that is stand erect, feet together, hands by the side of the thighs, stretch the arms upward, keep them straight and parallel to each other in vertical position, with the palms facing each other. Slowly raise the heels as much as you can and stand on toes. Stretch the body up as much as possible. Maintain this position for 5 to 10 seconds comfortably. Come back to the initial position slowly. After this procedure, just watch the videographic illustration of the same Tadasana. and when you will completely watch the videographic illustration, we will discuss about the benefits and contraindications of this asana.
Tadasana. Starting from alert posture, keep your feet 2 inches apart. Inhale. Lift your arms up to the shoulder level from the front. Interlock the fingers. Exhale. Turn the palms outward. Now, inhale. Stretch the arms over your head. Raise the heels off the floor and balance on the toes. Maintain the final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Bring the heels down. Exhale and come back to starting posture.
The benefits of Tadasana are it relieves tension, aches, pains throughout the body. It helps in strengthening thighs, knees and ankles. By doing this asana regularly, children can also increase in their height. It helps to remove the laziness and depression. It helps to improve blood circulation. And the contraindications for this yoga asana is that the people who are having migraine problems should avoid. And as I have already told you, the people with injury, they should also avoid this asana. The second asana is Ardha Matsya Chandra asana. To perform this asana, we should follow the procedure as is set. Number 1, sit on the ground with extended legs in front. Bend the left leg and place left foot close to the right buttock. And the left knee should touch the ground. Near outside of your left knee, toes of the right foot should face forward. Place left arm over the right knee and such a way that it covers outside of the right knee. And ankle with the left hand, the right knee should be close to the left armpit. Place the right arm behind the waist as much as possible. Turn the head towards the right side and try to look behind over the shoulder. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Come back to the initial position and repeat the same procedure on the other side. After completing this procedure, follow the videographic illustration to understand the procedure of Ardha Matsya Chandra asana in a better way.
Place the left foot near the right hip. Right foot across the left knee. Twist to your right. Bring the left hand towards the right foot. Release. Other direction. Right foot near the left hip, left foot across the right knee. Twist to your left. Bring the right hand close to the left foot. And release.
The benefits of Ardha Matsya Chandra asanas are it helps to stimulate liver, spleen and pancreas and helps to regulate their functioning. It is beneficial for intestines also. It is beneficial for free movements of the shoulders. It has helpful for persons suffering from diabetes mellitus and lower back pain. It strengthens the spinal column and the muscles of the back. अब यहाँ चीज़ ये देख लो कि ये आपके स्पाइनल कॉलम और बैक मसल्स को स्ट्रांग बनाता है, जिसकी वजह से आपको बैक पेन होने के चांसेस रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. Contraindications: all those people who are suffering from any peptic ulcer, hernia or severe arthritis should not perform this asana. And as I already told you that the people who have got some sort of injury, they should avoid this asana, as well as the pregnant woman with complications should avoid this yoga asana. The third yogic asana which is helpful to reduce the back pain is Vakrasana. The procedure of the Vakrasana is that sit on the carpet, stretch the legs straight, hold the right leg at knee and touch the right leg's heel to the left leg's knee. Keep right foot at the floor itself. Take the right hand to the back of the waist, twisting your trunk. Spread in palms and place it on the carpet, as shown in the figure. Bring the left hand close to the right knee and hold the right leg's ankle with the left hand. Twist the hand and shoulder to right side and look straight to the right shoulder side, that is back side. Stay in this pose for 5 to 10 seconds and breathe normally. Come back to the initial position slowly and repeat the same on the next side of your body, maybe the left side. If you have done it on the right side first, then repeat it on the left side. After this procedure, follow the videographic illustration to understand the procedure of this asana in a better way, so that you will be able to understand how it is to be performed. And when we will complete this videographic illustration, we will discuss about the benefits and contraindications of Vakrasana.
Vakrasana. Start with long sitting posture. Sit with the back straight with the legs stretched out in the front. Bend the left leg. Place the left foot beside the right knee. Bring the right arm around the left knee and place the palm beside the left foot. Exhale and twist your head and body to the left. Maintain the final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Inhale, come back. Repeat on the other side.
The benefits of Vakrasana, it helps to reduce the belly fat. अगर आपके पेट में चर्बी है उसको रिड्यूस करने में हेल्प करता है. इट इम्प्रूव्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ बोथ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड एंड नर्वस सिस्टम. आपके स्पाइनल कॉर्ड और नर्वस सिस्टम में हेल्प करता है. वेस्ट एंड बैक पेन आर रिड्यूस्ड. जो वेस्ट में पेन है या बैक में पेन है, इट स्ट्रेंथेन्स द किडनी. किडनी को स्ट्रांग करता है. अवॉइड इफ सफरिंग फ्रॉम हर्निया. अगर हर्निया है तो इससे अवॉइड करो. दोज हु सफ़र फ्रॉम अल्सर एंड एनलार्जमेंट ऑफ लिवर शुड नॉट प्रैक्टिस इट. एंड द पर्सन्स हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम सॉर्ट ऑफ इंजुरी एंड द वुमन folk who are pregnant with complications should avoid this yogasana. The fourth one is Shalabhasana. The procedure for Shalabhasana is as: number 1, lie flat on the stomach, place both palms under your thighs, chin slightly forward and on the floor, inhaling and pressing the palms on the ground, raising both the legs upward as high as possible. Maintain the position as shown in the diagram in the picture with normal breathing for a few seconds. Come back to the initial position, and after the procedure we will follow with the videographic illustration to understand how it is to be performed in a better way.
Shalabhasana. Start with Makarasana. Place both hands beside the body, palms facing downwards. Inhale and lift both the legs off the floor without bending the knees. Maintain the final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Exhale and bring the legs down to the floor. Put the chin on the hands. Open the feet apart with toes pointing sideways. Head up and place to the right on your hands.
The benefits of this yogasana is that it strengthens the lower back and pelvic organs. It gives relief in the conditions of mild sciatica, backache. It helps to reduce excessive fat from around the knees, the thighs, the waist and the abdomen. It cures cervical pain and spine ailments. अवॉइड ड्यूरिंग हेडेक, अवॉइड ड्यूरिंग सीरियस बैक इंजरी। अगर बैक इंजरी ज़्यादा सीरियस है तो नहीं करना है, या किसी भी तरह की इंजरी है, प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन शुड अवॉइड इट। The last asana, that is Bhujangasana, the procedure of this asana has already been told to you in the other videos, but still, for the procedure of Bhujangasana, lie on the ground on your stomach with the forehead touching the floor, legs together, hands back, hands by the side of the thighs, fold the arms at elbows and place the palms by the side of the shoulders, with hips of the fingers not at the shoulder line. Inhaling slowly, raise the head first, then neck, and after that, shoulders. Shoulders should be shrugged backwards. Raise the trunk up to the navel region. Raise the chin as high as possible. Maintain in this position for 5 to 10 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable. Come back to the initial position slowly. After the procedure, follow the videographic illustration how to perform Bhujangasana to understand it in a practical way how it is to be performed, which will be helpful for you to reduce the back pain as well as other benefits of the Bhujangasana.
Bhujangasana. Start with Makarasan. Now, join the legs and place your palms beside the chest and elbows close to the body. Inhale. Slowly lift the head and chest up to the navel region with the help of spinal muscles. Maintain the final position for 3 to 10 breaths. Exhale. Bring the head down and rest your chin on the ground. Return to the starting position.
It helps to make spinal column flexible. अगर आपका स्पाइनल कॉलम फ्लेक्सिबल हो जाता है तो आपका जो बैक पेन होने के चांसेस वो कम हो जाते हैं. इट हेल्प्स टू सॉल्व डाइजेस्टिव प्रॉब्लम्स, improves function of internal organs, especially pancreas, liver and kidneys. That way it helps to it helps to reduce the chances of diabetes as well. It helps to reduce the body weight. Contraindication is avoid during pregnancy. Those suffering from hernia should not perform it. People with peptic ulcer and acute abdominal pain should also avoid practicing this asana. This is it. We complete here the back pain topic, and with this we have completed our video lecture series on the yoga chapter, class +2, chapter number 3rd. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel and share it as much as possible by you people. Thank you. God bless you.